When working with multiple objects, you can align them evenly. Hold the Shift key and select the objects you want to align. Select Picture Format, Align Objects to choose the alignment option fitting the look you are going for. You can align objects along their left edges, vertically through their centers, or along their right edges. You can also align objects along their top edges, horizontally through their middles, or along their bottom edges. If you have 3 or more objects, to distribute them evenly, select them, and then select Align Objects, Distribute Horizontally. There are other tools that can help. Select View, Guides, to show only the center lines. To see more lines, select Grid Lines. Use the lines as reference points to align objects. When you're done, clear grid lines and guides to turn them off.